Welcome to Wanderway. On this channel, I share the most exciting ways to explore the world. Today, I'll take you on a journey to experience the breathtaking Niagara Falls up close with boat tours. From tour options to ticket prices and the stunning views you'll encounter, I've got all the details for you. Ready to head to the heart of the falls? Let's get started. Overview of boat tours. There are two popular boat tour options at Niagara Falls, Maid of the Mist and Hornblower Niagara Cruises. These tours operate on both the US and Canadian sides, offering visitors the chance to get up close to the majestic falls. As you glide closer to the water, you can feel the sheer power and mesmerizing atmosphere of the falls. Maid of the Mist. Operating since 1846, this tour is based on the US side of Niagara Falls. Known for its iconic blue ponchos, it takes you near the American and Bridal Veil Falls. Hornblower Niagara Cruises. Operating on the Canadian side, this tour is recognized by its red ponchos and modern boats. It offers incredible proximity to both the falls and Horseshoe Falls. What to expect during the experience? The excitement begins as soon as you step onto the boat. As you move closer to the water, the sound of the falls intensifies, and when the massive cascade comes into view, it's truly breathtaking. Fine mist from the falls will gently spray your face, immersing you in the experience. Don't forget to put on your poncho, as you're in for a refreshing, natural shower the closer you get to the falls. Practical information and tips. Ticket prices and purchase. Tickets for the boat tours generally range between $30 to $50. If you're planning to visit during the summer, it's a good idea to book your tickets online in advance. Tour duration. The average tour lasts 20 to 30 minutes, giving you plenty of time to explore the falls and take photos. When to visit. Tours typically operate between April and November. Early mornings are less crowded, so arriving early can be an advantage. What to bring. Make sure to bring a waterproof case for your phone. If the weather is chilly, a jacket will come in handy. Unique views and photography tips. Niagara Falls boat tours are a paradise for both professional and amateur photographers. As the boat approaches the falls, the natural light and movement of the water create stunning opportunities for photos. Especially when you get closer to the falls, try capturing the sunbeams dancing through the mist. Just remember to protect your phone or camera from water splashes. Taking a boat tour at Niagara Falls is one of those once-in-a-lifetime experiences you'll never forget. Feeling the power of the falls and witnessing this incredible natural wonder up close is truly magical. If you haven't tried it yet, be sure to add it to your list. If you want to keep exploring the world with Wanderway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. See you on our next adventure. Take care.